The pressure on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is increasing as many Nigerians across different parts of the country continue to question the effectiveness of the current security strategy. From homes to markets, from offices to campuses, security has become one of the most discussed topics in daily conversations. People are asking simple but important questions. Are we safer today? Is the situation improving fast enough? And what more can be done to protect lives and property? As you're watching this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us bring you more real-time news and quality gist like this. Across the nation, reports of attacks, kidnappings, and community unrest have continued to worry citizens. While the government has repeatedly assured Nigerians that security agencies are working tirelessly, many people feel the impact of insecurity directly in their daily lives. Farmers are concerned about going to their farms, traders are worried about traveling on highways, and parents are anxious about the safety of their children. These concerns are now putting serious public pressure on the presidency. President Tinubu came into office with strong promises to tackle insecurity decisively. His administration emphasized intelligence-driven operations, improved coordination among security agencies, and stronger regional cooperation. However, as time passes, many Nigerians believe the results are not yet matching their expectations. This gap between promises and public perception is what is fueling the ongoing debate. Please like this video and subscribe if you want us to keep breaking down these issues in a clear and simple way. In recent weeks, public discussions about security have grown louder, especially on social media, radio programs, and community meetings. People are not only criticizing, but also suggesting solutions. Some citizens believe that security efforts are too centralized and that local communities should play a bigger role. Others argue that intelligence gathering needs improvement, while some insist that economic hardship is making the security situation worse by pushing more young people into crime. One major issue Nigerians keep raising is response time. When incidents happen, many people feel help does not arrive quickly enough. This has led to frustration and fear, especially in rural areas. Some residents say they rely more on local vigilance groups than official security forces. While the government has acknowledged these concerns, the public is watching closely to see concrete changes on the ground. If this analysis is making sense to you, please like this video and subscribe so you don't miss our next update. Another angle to this pressure is the regional security situation. Nigeria does not operate in isolation. Challenges in neighboring regions affect what happens inside the country. There have been discussions around strengthening cooperation with nearby countries to tackle cross-border threats. Supporters of this approach believe it can help reduce the movement of armed groups across borders. But critics argue that Nigeria must first fix its internal security structure. Within government circles, there are signs that adjustments are being considered. Officials have spoken about deploying more personnel, improving equipment, and reorganizing security operations. However, Nigerians are not just interested in plans, they want to see visible improvements in safety. For many citizens, security is not a political debate, it is a daily reality. Please remember to like this video and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel going. The pressure on the president is also coming from expectations. Nigerians expect strong leadership, clear communication, and measurable progress. When updates are not frequent or detailed enough, rumors and fear can spread easily. This is why many analysts believe the government needs to communicate more openly with citizens about what is being done, what is working, and what still needs time. At the same time, some Nigerians believe the president deserves patience. They argue that security challenges have existed for many years and cannot disappear overnight. According to this group, meaningful change requires sustained effort, reforms, and cooperation from all levels of society. They caution against losing hope too quickly and encourage constructive criticism instead of anger. If you agree or disagree with any of these views, please like this video and subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Another important issue connected to this pressure is trust. Security works best when citizens trust those protecting them. When trust is weak, information sharing suffers and criminals take advantage. Many voices are now calling for better community engagement, where security agencies and residents work together more closely. This approach, they say, can help prevent incidents before they happen. Economic conditions are also part of the conversation. Rising living costs and unemployment are often linked to insecurity. Some experts believe that without addressing economic challenges, security efforts alone may not be enough. This view suggests that job creation, education, and social support are also tools for improving safety in the long term. Please like this video and subscribe if you want us to continue explaining these issues in simple English. As the debate continues, one thing is clear: Nigerians are paying close attention. The pressure on President Tinubu is not just political, it reflects the deep desire of citizens to live without fear. Every announcement, every security update, and every incident is now being carefully observed and discussed. The coming weeks and months will be important. Nigerians will be watching to see whether adjustments to the security strategy bring real change. The government will also be judged by how it listens to public concerns and how quickly it responds with action. The pressure on Bola Ahmed Tinubu is also being shaped by the voices coming from different regions of the country. What makes this moment sensitive is that the concerns are not coming from one place alone. They are coming from cities and rural communities, from professionals and traders, from young people and elders. When insecurity becomes a shared national concern like this, the expectation on leadership naturally rises. Many Nigerians are now paying attention to how decisions are being made at the top. They want to know whether security agencies are working together smoothly or still operating in isolation. People want to see better coordination, faster action, and clearer results. The general feeling is simple: if everyone is feeling the pressure, then solutions must also be urgent. Please like this video and subscribe. It really supports this channel. Another key issue people are talking about is prevention. Nigerians are asking why incidents still happen instead of being stopped early. This has brought more attention to intelligence gathering and information sharing. Citizens believe that if information from communities is taken seriously and acted upon quickly, many problems can be avoided. This is why trust between the public and security agencies keeps coming up in conversations. Some residents say they are willing to cooperate more, but they want to feel protected and respected. When people feel heard, they are more likely to share information that can help keep their communities safe. This is a point many analysts say the government should focus on strongly. Please remember to like this video and subscribe if this explanation is clear to you. There is also the issue of consistency. Nigerians want to see security efforts that do not slow down after a few weeks. They want to see sustained action, not just announcements. Many people say that when attention reduces, problems return. So the call now is for long-term commitment, not short-term responses. Public confidence is closely tied to visible outcomes. When people see safer roads, calmer communities, and quicker response to incidents, confidence grows naturally. Without this, public debate becomes louder, and pressure on leadership increases even more. This is exactly the situation the country is in now. Like this video and subscribe so we can keep bringing you clear and simple breakdowns.